This is my fiancee Libby. She's about to go for a ride in an 800 plus horsepower race car that she's never been before. Up until now, the fastest she's ever driven is in her Corolla. So tonight we're headed to Oxford Dragway. Haven't been there in a year or so. Getting back to my roots. I started going there when I was about 3. Dad would bring me. My grandfather was racing at the time. He raced up until from about 2003 till 2020 pretty steadily in his Chevelle. 2009, when I was about 11 years old, my father bought an 87 Pontiac Firebird race with the intent of him driving it for a few years, and then once I got old enough, I would drive it, since track racing, for whatever reason, has always been a little more strict than circle track racing about age you can start racing. He also passes Don Martell, this guy that has been around and helped us race since Grandpa started in 2003. He's been racing since, I think, just about when the track opened, I believe in the 70s. So he's been around for a while. He's helped Dad and I out a lot. Always been very helpful. He's helped Grandpa out a lot. So I try to help him out whenever I can.